You just installed a hard drive or a SSD in your PC, but you cannot find it anywhere on your file explorer? Well guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to do it. But before we start, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials like this one. Let's begin. I just installed a couple of drives in my PC, and as you can see inside of the file explorer, you cannot see anything. So well, how we fix this? You can close your file explorer for the moment, and you want to right click into the start button and go where you see disk management. When this application opens, you are going to find all of your drives right here. The disks with blue, they are active and they are working, and the ones in black, they are unallocated disks. So you want to create a new simple volume in each of them, or in one, depending on how many you have installed. And to do that, you want to right click into the unallocated disk and click into create new simple volume. Now this is the simple volume wizard. You want to click into next. Inside of here is the capacity of the disk. I would recommend you guys to leave it as it is. Click into next. And in here you want to assign a drive letter. You can choose anything that you want. I want D. It's the recommended, is perfect for me. Click into next. And in here it's going to format your drive. If you don't want to format it, you want to select it right here. And in here you can change the file system, NFTS or exFAT. And you can even set a volume label if you wish for. Now you want to click into next and finish. Now that the process is done, we can open once more our file explorer, and here you're going to find a new disk that you installed in your system. So simple was the guide. I hope the video was useful for you, and if it did, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.